times we laughed, the times we stayed side by side. Those beautiful moments of happiness now remain